So, hello guys, hope you're doing fine. So, it's been quite a while before I've posted. I've been doing a lot of things. Today is 30th and the year is almost over. So, I want to analyze the charts and see the trades that I'm going to take next year. I've been setting my goals and seeing how I'm going to be going through with things. So, it's time for me to prepare for the next year because I want to be taking some serious trades at the start of the year. I want to be doing some serious work. I want to get locked in even before the year starts. This year has been extremely productive, and all thanks to God. It has been very challenging too, but what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. So, I'm going to be analyzing this trade. So, this is the market structure as you can see it right now. It is in an uptrend. So, I want to look for a zone to which I can buy to, and I guess right here, going to the lower time frames, I'll be finding a zone. This particular instance, this zone is not really clear, but the momentum is really clear. It can really tell you that we are in a very good uptrend. So going lower in the lower time frames, I know I'm going to be searching for price action within this zone. This is a very good trade. It's going to be a very good trade right here. It's going to be a very amazing trade. So let's first try to mark it really well. And there's a very good support area right here. Exactly. So I've marked my zone. I'm going to go and try to refine it on the lower time frames and then see where exactly I'm going to buy from, set my TP, set my SL, and then prepare my account to put in my entries. So we don't have a clear demand zone right here. The zone is not really clear, but you know there's a demand zone, of course. But I need a very clear demand zone. So I need to go to the lower time frames until I get a very clear demand zone, refine it, and set my levels. When we go to the lower time frames, the demand zone, this is the H2. When we go to the H2, the demand zone seems to be at this indecision candle right here, the indecision candle before the bullish upro. So this, let's go to the H1 and see. Remember that when we're trading, we're refine at most to the M30. We don't go below, like beyond the M30. And this seems like a real zone because you see it takes all the indecision. This seems like a very clear zone. So let's go to the M30. This is the last time frame that we refined to. So let's go to the M30. M30 and see. We're not going to trade anything in between. We're going to wait for price to come to this zone, and we're not going to trade for anything in between. I think this is a pretty good zone. As you can see, it takes all the indecision before price went very bullish. So this is going to be a very good zone for us. Let's go back to H2 and then set our TP levels. So in most cases, I would set a TP1, a TP2, a TP3, which is pretty good for me to set all those TP1, TP2, TP3. But I'm going to be flipping an account. I'm going to be flipping a small account. I'm going to have like $10, flip it to $60, to $60 because I'm going to be having other trades right now. So I don't expect to have those TP1, TP2, TP3. But this will be my immediate TP right here. So I can take this as my TP right here. Since we are in an uptrend and this price was extremely bullish, we expect price to give us a new high, meaning that we expect price to come and break this high right here. You understand? Yeah, so you can break it exactly at this point, but we want to get a 1 to 5. So we're going to be framing our TP to a 1 to 5. At least we get a 1 to 5. Then we exit the market. Exactly, now that is our 1 to 5. So that is it, guys. Hope you have a very prosperous new year, and I wish you a Merry Christmas. That is it, guys. Stay safe. Just stay safe, man. Bye.